Dancehall recording artist Spice responded to numerous claims and accusations made against her. She was brought to tears while giving her side of the story. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to share Spice's side of the story with you right now on our program. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links007 TV. Let's talk. This is the place where you get the best in local and international updates. So in dancehall, that's where we're at today, and it's relating to dancehall recording artist Spice and the whole entire situation that is blowing up online as it relates to serious accusation being made against her and actually her dancers, her boyfriend, and even other recording artists within the music space itself. Now, Spice sought to clear the air as it relates to the whole entire drama that is going down online with this situation, and it's very sad to see how this has blown up online. And it's one of those situations that we have seen played out on numerous occasions in which people have disagreement with people, and they think as if social media is actually the only way that they can get their point out there to the general public. Now, what transpired in this situation has escalated so immensely within the past few days that even people that were not a part of the initial mayhem that went down has been drawn into it at this current moment, and a number of them have sought to clear their names as it relates to what is actually being said and the accusations that are being made against them. But all I can say in this current situation, this is one of the situations I've always talked about on numerous occasions, and I've said it and I will keep on saying it on my platform. When you have your personal vendetta with people, try your best to try and iron it off social media. And we have seen people just bring people information to the media forefront, and this is a place where they believe as if they will get the justice that they deserve. Gone are the days when you will have a disagreement with someone and you could just take up the phone and give them a call and just iron out the difference right over the phone, or even a face-to-face meeting. Gone are those days. Now if you look at what is going on social media, everyone is bringing their dirty laundries to social media, and when they have a disagreement with someone, they believe as if the internet is the judge, the jury, and the executor. Now, Spice have just fallen victim to this after she confided and put her all her trust in this individual, and now she's actually here just to share her side of the story, and we're going to bring you over to this right now. But this that has transpired here is one of those situations that is really unfortunate to see this, how it blew up online. And we're just going to bring you over to what Spice had to say about the whole entire situation. So this is Links007 TV. We ask you, remember, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and just get us up to that 30,000 subscriber that we're looking forward for this year. Alright, so we're going to go over to what Spice had to say, and then when we return, have our take about the whole entire situation. Let's go over to that.
I know I've been silent for a while, but I'm silent because I know the ulterior motives and I know the reasons. And big up Richie Feelings. I'm a one person where I can call and vent to call and laugh with call and so. And as he would have said, don't answer, don't say nothing. But the truth is I'm only human being. And I'm human first. And for most of you know where see me not answer, like me say, me don't answer sometime because me know what the plot is. Me know what them a try do. Me know what them want. So, most of you has been a fan for me for years. And I think, you see them come. Many of them come. And sometimes I answer, sometimes I not answer. But when me do answer because me a human, and when me do answer sometimes I because people know my weakness, and my weakness is me can't sit back and see people that tell lie upon me and me not say nothing. Or be ignorant to the point where me is just a person when me talk my mind and me talk what I feel. And you see that one year hit home because me see people when me do so much for, I try to bring me down. But I'm not the first, because everybody won't ever see come out, come say something about me or whatever. Always the ones when me help the most. Let me say it again. Anytime you see them come out and them say this and them say that and them try to bring me down, it's always the ones when me help the most. Now, I have a lot of international following and fans. We don't even know this person. And I refuse to talk about it and refuse to call him name because you do all of this for that. That's all you do it for. You don't do it for nothing else. You do all of this just for me call your name, just for people see you, just for followers. That's all you do it for. You don't do it for nothing else because me don't do nothing. Me don't do nothing. And you go through all of this in your mind just to bring me down. Just forget followers. Just forget hype and mention. But when it boils down and it's all said and done, then what? I may talk like this because guess what? Many are going to come and many are going to go. But I will always be right here. I'm going to be my same self. Aha, Isa. So much different things to me talk about. So I have to think about it. I have to breathe and take it easy because I see the plot of the enemy and I see many of them rise up. And the devil lose. Me don't know I'm strong so. Hey, me say me don't know I'm strong so, you know. Me don't know I'm strong so. Me don't know if I see side me born. Me strong like a lion, you know, because I know if I want to come plot up against me, you know. But my people, I want to listen me keenly. You see, success, it bring envy and it bring hate. And many are going to come and many are going to go. And give them the hype for you. Me not give them the hype for you. That's why you see me talk so strategically. So anybody that on my life, who no know, who no know, not gonna know because them not hear it from me. So if who no know, who no know. Alright. One of the things I see going around right now what hurt me the most is the whole situation with my ex-dancer when named Danger. I'm going to explain to you why it hurt me. And if I get up out of the chair, because I'm very emotional, but me not do that live here. For no victim, nor no pity, but me I go through a strong war right now.
Spouse will soon be back, guys. Just wait a bit.
Yeah, you know why I get up? Because me not do the live, yeah. Me don't want to pity. Me just want to know, say, people are plot and them are scam and them are scheme to bring me down. But here, oh my God, work and all the plan mash up, right? Me not keep me silent because me see someone now say I lie Danger tell. And why she never come out long time come talk. And enough girls out there we are go through the same thing and them afraid for talk because we are the same one when them come out come talk we say a lie. The media use my picture to put on the story say my baby father is a raper or whatever it is, me see it go viral, me see it on international media, me see it enough place. But when me see it come up on my phone, cause I don't know how phone stay, anything when my name come up on the top of the screen. Me keep on see my picture. Me keep on see my name. Me a beg on the media and people and anybody when you not talk about people, everybody have them own name and them have them own face, everybody have them own birth paper. Use them picture. Use them own a name because it not fair to me. The man they bring me through hell. Listen me now. Me see the man go pan. You know the man will come out pa live for bring me down and I'm plot and him scheme him plot up. Me see me call him own a voice note I send to himself and I play like say I just now. Me laugh because you see through me know say I got there behind me. Me not really look for mankind. But when my own a baby father I go up on somebody live and join in. See the plot you know. Me have no reason. Cause like me say me ignorant to it so me no want it. Me want to know see the reality of it. My baby father go up on the Instagram live in the platform bring me down. For make me feel away. That's the plan, you know. Him laugh and say, yes, we could go bring her down and we could go talk this and talk that and the two of them plot up and scam up together. Say them are going to bring me down. You mentioned my son. You mentioned my son. Now, not everything what you say. Everything what you say. Me and you know the lie them. But remember, it is already written, say the Lord will cut off our line and deceitful tongue. So me not really pay you no mind. Me not really worry about the lie them what you tell for me. But you see when you go mention my son. You see when you go mention my son. No go everything we do after me picking them, no do it. Don't talk about my kids, no talk about my son, no call me picking them name. Wanna say everything wanna want say about me. Wanna class me if you no want class me. If you no want drag me, wanna drag me. Don't talk about my son. Idiot Nicholas. You go up on the man life, I try bring me down. Till you end up even not bring down your own son. First of all, even if you never know, say the man I go talk about your son from the mention your son know him. If you did love and rate and respect your son from the mention it, you know what you say. Don't talk about my son. But you're so up in the hype and you want the clout, you're depend it a kick, how we bring her down. Here you know you beat your chest. Danger. Because you feel like so when you talk about danger, it's gonna look bad for me and people are gonna laugh and say, whoa, Spice baby father did up on her. Me no care. Remember years you in my house and me can be eat you like poison. And you can't even come talk say a lie because you know me you will put out the text them. Can me have the old phone, me no dash it way. Me no dash it way. Remember say 3 years me and you not have sex in my house. Can me run you and I tell you say me can't me not have no feelings for you towards you. So if you did even up on me, you're supposed to because you're supposed to did on you want because me never did I give you none. A years me and you left in and you still living in my house and you never want to come out. But remember me tell you see when the girl, hold on, I want to go into the story good. Before this bus out, Danger called me. Danger called me. As a matter of fact, she called me a DM. She DM me because she never have my number. She sent me a DM and she say, old friend, I have something I want to say to you. You can call me, please. When Mr. Danger send me the DM and Danger say, if me can call her, please. Me look on it and me say, what? About 4 years now, me not talk to Danger. And in them time, me look up praying and me I say, then God, what is now? What is a come up now out of the something? I could have was so. Anyway, me get a day and me sleep and because you know so me stay. We are Leo. We have to sleep and think about it. And me I say, Jesus God, what Danger want to tell me now? 2 days after she texts me or a day after she 2 days after she texts me or even longer than me no remember. Me say send me a number. Me say send me a number. Cause me never have her number, she never have mine. Me stop talk to her. And me stop talk to her because me did hear rumors of, you know, she and the baby father. But that's why I tell you, I tell Danger the same thing. And one thing I blame you for, I don't know how you keep your mouth so long or how you keep your, how you're not talk, you know. Because you see, if you did talk, This would not reach and it wouldn't fly upon you, so you should have talk long time. Because me no care no baby father, nothing no. Me see him wanted to stand upside there and make sure say any man will rape for go to prison, me no really response. I me no care how no want talk it. Any man will rape, them deserve to go to prison. Danger send me a DM. Me think about it for 2 days. Me don't know what she want to talk to me about. Me get her number, me tell her say send me a number, me call her. When me call her, me say Danger, I want him. She start tell me. She cry. She explain to me. And she says, Spice, a years we not talk. I me know you hear rumor, but me did afraid for come tell you. And she say, this really happen. And when she tell me say this really happen, me I tell her say me never shake up so yet in my life. I tell her I say, Danger, you should have never keep it a secret. You should have never keep this a secret from me. Because many of you may not know, but me and Danger was like, so if she willing to talk the truth, a years me not talk to her. Because me hear and she never want to talk. And me just, I saw me stay. Me not have luck with people. One of my fans don't know me not have luck with people. Me start like a seaside. But me and her was like this, very close. And me say, how could you not tell me something like this? You should have tell me, you should have talk. Because when me go down in night, the boy go up on live. And him swear say him a play big. And him a go flap me and him a go bring me down. And him a plot up and a scheme up with the plan of the enemy. I'm in a lift a straw and God just go so whoop and box him in his face and say, move your... Hey, the boy go up on the boy life. Hear him now? And I big up him chest. Because when him a big up him chest, him swear say now say, people are going to say, hey, a big top dan, him fuck on a Spice dancer. And it just backfire upon him. See him we like how it backfire upon the wicked man. Because I don't know if you never have glasses for see. Say it that go backfire upon you because God no like wicked. But me I go tell you something and me I go tell you this straight and make you know from now. That means say who else a plot fi come you know say. Never you bite the hands that feed you. Remember you talk out your own mouth and me make you there foreign. That means to say everything where you come a foreign come achieve you're supposed to give thanks to me. And say yes respect. But alright, we go down in it. Nicholas Lal, my baby father, meet you with 1 pants and 1 shirt. That's why nothing what you do and plan and plot up for me, you never overcome or overthrow me. Because God over we head and see and know your wickedness. You saw you plot up with the man and I just release the voice note for you. When the man say I be obia, ya obia me. And lick your heart. For sure you say you're idiot. And enough things me undergo and underbear. I me not really say nothing. Me just hold it. Me just stay home and pray. When you come to me, if me... Hey, more things I want to talk, me never want confuse. Me never want confuse. But your whole ulterior motive are because you did come on internet for things so you're going to get a big hype. You think you're going to get a big hype and a big forward and people that going to beat up them chest and say, whoa, Spice baby father did but I rape the girl for true. You do it. You rape the girl for true. Because I saw you still, you can't satisfy your licky and wanga gut. You have to go to prison. And you deserve to go to prison. I'm tired to tell Danger she need to go report it. I don't care how much years after them better change the law. Any man will rape to go to prison. But I'm not even that I come on internet for... You don't have to be wise. So, oh, you did act. Oh, you did around the place. Oh, you did have so much hit song. Spice never have any. You know, since 2014, something like it come out. Something like it come out 2014. And if at 2020 now, that means that was 6 years ago. And it's 6 years ago me get my fear running a dance hall. And come back in this now. I get my fear running a dance hall 6 years ago. And I've been in the business for 20 years. 2 decades. And from me I must be 16 years old. I want to charm me, I want to bring me, I want to carry me. Me just know 6 years ago get look at hype. Just I don't want to kill me feet. Who not go kill me feet? Who not go kill me feet? Everybody get them run. Everybody get them look at time. We could have called the name, go down, all the music go. And she said she a come now. I don't want me eat the girl feet. Me not doing it. Me not do it. Me not do it. Me no not beat no bad man in me and tell me say this a one year, this a me no care. Me no response. Everybody have to come eat. Me talk to Pampote where they Pampote say every minute them a come talk about you not do nothing for me, you not do nothing for me, you not this and that. Them not put no bad mind in me. That's why you see me have to always say big up Pampote. Because the girl say them not put no bad mind in me. You don't know if me and her talk behind the scenes, if plan, if whatever, or song or go, but you know just a talk and a talk and a talk. You know who be an argument and who be who. No man! I'm ignorant for call name, but you see when you see me take a deep breath, me have to just, me have to hold it. Everybody have them own share in a music here. And nobody can make nobody this and nobody can make nobody that. Everybody have them own share of music. As some music go. Music is like a ladder. Sometime up, sometime down. A God over mankind. And make nobody come tell you no other way. And one thing me ask that man, you know. Me ask that man one thing. If you do so much for me, why you don't do it for yourself? Jay-Z, me forgot where the man name. Him did come and say him make Jay-Z. And Jay-Z come out and say, why you don't make another Jay-Z? You see the talent that we have? Greatest gift. But I'm telling you, people, them will kill me feet. So you see, if me dead, remember me tell you, any on the year say me wake up one day on the year say me dead. See that talent that when me have, people hate me and envy me feet. Them hate me and envy me feet. Me no do them nothing. Me no live a straw. Mighty God. Mighty God. Me see me, hey, me see me fan. You know how it hurt me when me see my fans, them a comment and a cuss and a try iron for me. And me I say, mighty God. Look there. People them say, oh God, man, I must see side me ban. Everything has spice. Everything has spice. Spice, spice, spice. Spice, spice, spice. A spice, a spice, a spice. Everything I mean in music, everything I me. Good God, man. Let's big up to all of my fans, them. All of my bestie, me love you, BFF, love you for life. Yeah? Big up on yourself. Don't watch the haters, them. Don't watch the work of the devil. No watch the iniquity. Them could have come with storm all lost. No care where them tumble down for me. No dare me and ask if me good. I will always be okay. Me is a beast. Me is a lion. Nothing can tear me. Nothing can face me. Because guess what? God know when me do for reach ya so. God know when me do for reach ya so. When me there roadside asleep, forget my song them play. God know me reach. You hear me I tell you? When me I go and dance, go stand up and boom boom, stand up side a boom boom to make sure say my song play stand up side a Rooksy. Richie Feelings now want come out, come talk, but him know me journey. Him fi come out, come talk. God know how me reach a so God alone can take me off it. You hear me I tell you now, God know what me do. And when me go through, and me and me two people them alone. And me alone. You hear me I tell you now. So me don't want nobody come feel like say them can't tear me down. You can't tear me down. Cause me suffer, struggle, beer hungry. You hear me I tell you now, what did day. Me saw the put out video when me a little girl, 16 years old, I go up on stage to try to make it and reach. Where did they? Where did they? Which part of the day when me hungry I couldn't feed myself, much less me pity them. One of the dead now don't come now, don't see the glory, I don't know the story. Or don't come with an all house, I come try to turn me down, put me and tear me down. Or don't leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me alone know me got through it. You hear me I tell you now? You know what, hey, you know me I go come off of the live, yeah. But remember me telling you, say, you know, give me basket to carry water, but one of the day. One of the day when me I suffer. One of the day when me I struggle. One of the day when I want shoes me have. When me did homeless, when me house burned down. And me not know where to live. One of the day. And years what a tears and prayer put me right here, so. Years what a sufferation and struggle. Fight. Me go dance to make sure my song play and pull over on roadside when me asleep. You hear me I tell you everywhere me go, every dance, every selector know me. One of the day, at a rise fi come talk. Roxy fi come talk, boom boom, the whole of them, Richie feelings, the whole of them. Me fight and struggle like a man. A man in a this. Who get it easy, me don't know about that. One of the day, me struggle through it. And you can't tear me down now, it's too late. You hear me I tell you now? Cause I'm an overnight success. Me fight and struggle for it. Leave me alone now. Come off of my name. Come off of my name. Leave me. Stop give me basket on leave me. Wicked serpent, demon, Satan. On come out and clear out. The blood is against you now. The blood of Jesus is against you now. Come off of this.
Well, there you have it. That was the dancehall entertainer herself, Grace Hamilton's stage name Spice, giving her side of the whole entire story that went viral online just this week. Spice shared some real chilling details there as it relates to what transpired with Danger and her then ex boyfriend as well. She also went into detail as it relates to accusation of Obia with Lady Saw as well, the former queen of the dancehall who is now actually a minister. What transpired in this whole entire situation is very sad. And this is what happens whenever you put your trust in someone and they actually have that information about you, or you put your trust in them to an extent in which you share very vital information or personal information with them. Now, Spice sought to clear the air as it relates to the whole entire situation, and she has not denied most of what happened. However, she just sought to clear the air and just to relate to her fans about how these individuals are just plotting in order to try to bring down her career. And as you know, this is not a new thing for Spice. Spice has been drawn under the bus on numerous occasions. There have been many things said about Spice, and however, she always tried to propel herself back to the top because she's very strong and she is a fighter and she's very determined in order to get what she wants out of the music. But these accusations that were made against Macka Diamond, Danger, the rest of the dancers as well. Also, Lady Saw was also brought into the whole entire saga, and a number of other local celebrities have been drawn into the whole entire mayhem, and it has just spilled over into one big catastrophe that has blown up online. We have seen information being shared that was not out there before, and this has just propelled into another level based on new development that came out of this recently in relation to serious accusation of Obia being made against one particular party within the entertainment space as well. And it's not looking good for many of the local entertainment fraternity members right now. But all I can say, I just wish that they could just come to some level of agreement and just squash the whole entire squabble that has blown up online recently. And it's very sad to see how the music has portrayed into what it's been like for this week. And it's one of those situations that we really need to just focus and look on the positive side of things and stop focusing on the negative side of things. As you see, Spice get very emotional as it relates to breaking down while doing this live, and she actually shared some real chilling information as well, and she just sought to clear the air as it relates to what's happening in her life and those things that have been said about her in order to tarnish her career or just try to bring her down from where she has risen. But all I can say, I just wish her all the best in her future endeavors, and I just want these individuals, especially the female artists out there, just to try to see how best you can help another one rise to the top. It don't make sense you go and you try to tear down the other entertainer in order for yourself to be propelled to the top. And we have seen how that has played out in more than one instances in the dancehall space. Gone are the days when people just try to mentor the younger ones that are coming up in the music. Instead of them doing this, they're just showing that envy and that greed of getting the most out of it and not even considering and helping the upcoming ones. But as you know, there have been numerous accusations made against Spice in this video and what their spiritual reader had to say in relation to a number of other things as well. Whether it's true or not, I don't know. I leave you to decide that. But there have been numerous accusations, voice notes, text messages, pictures, videos, and that's how it's just going down online in the current era that we're living in. However, I'm gonna leave this one here for now though. Just tell me what you think in the comment section. It's very sad to see what is happening here and how this has blown up on social media. Drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you feel about this story, and do you believe what is actually going on is true, or those things that were being said about Spice X and Lady Saw and Maka Diamond and RT Boss and Danger. There's just so many people that have joined into this right now from one simple statement that was made online. We're gonna leave this though for now. Thanks for watching Links 7 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and bless.